Greg, glad to have you with us.
Lori, it's good to be here.
President Trump has been using National Guard troops to beef up law enforcement in Washington, D.C. So we're asking you the legal explanation for this move.
Remember, D.C. is not a state. It's not a major American city. It is a district, the District of Columbia, and it's a world in and of itself. It houses our government. It's home to congressmen, senators, ambassadors, the Pentagon. So the rules are different in D.C., and the Home Rule Act provides that in certain circumstances, if there is a mob, a riot, a group of individuals that are prohibiting the enforcement of law, the National Guard can be called in.
All right, so can the president do the same then under that rule for cities like, say, Memphis or Nashville?
Tomato, tomato, potato, potato, a different ballgame. The issue, and this is what's going to start being fought out in our courts, is pursuant to the 10th Amendment, the Posse Comitatus Act, and the Insurrection Act. Can you deploy federal troops and National Guards to quail an insurrection when a group of people are being denied civil rights if local authorities refuse? Not that they can't, if they refuse. It's not the call of the governor or not specifically provided in that act. So that's what's going to be so interesting. Can the president, under the guise of high crime, call in the National Guard and federal troops and then sweep in and enforce violations of immigration under ICE? Right,
and as you said, under the guise, say there is no flagrant that anyone knows of rebellion going on. What does this say to local police?
Well, you're disregarding, and it's not a red state, blue state, because no one's for high crime, no one's for any crime, no one's for illegal immigration. So what's going to be interesting, and in California, when the Marines and National Guard was deployed based on the ICE riots, a federal judge just granted an injunction that goes in place in a few days, ordering those federal troops to leave.
After the governor was very vocal in saying, we do not want them here.
We don't. And so let's look now, whether there is a, quote, insurrection of crime, and you look at all the cities. Tennessee, right on the forefront, Memphis, #1 under the FBI stats, Nashville, 13. Is it constitutional? Governor Lee's first reaction was, no, we don't need it. But it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. Are we going to have boots on the ground here in Tennessee? That decision is going to come to a court near you very, very soon.
We'll be watching. Greg, thank you.